Welcome to your new family.
Thank you, thank you.
You've agreed to come here today in order for us to hear about your lifestyle and your eating habits.
That's right, we thought it sounded interesting and therefore we volunteered.
And we're very happy you did. Now, the average American citizen eats over 3,600 calories per day. Does these statistics apply to your family?
I'm not ashamed to say that those statistics very much apply to us. My wife and kids eat like real Americans. When we have the possibility to eat till we're full, why shouldn't we?
Indeed, the daily recommended calorie intake is 1,800 calories for a woman a day and 2,600 for a man. Doesn't this concern you when you think about the health risk caused by eating too many calories?
My husband and I do 30 minutes of exercise every day. We walk back and forth from the car and up and down the stairs at least twice a day. My doctor did tell me that I should consider a new lifestyle. But for me, it's an issue of freedom. My husband and I do what we want to do, and there ain't no doctor that's gonna change that.
But aren't you concerned about your kids' future?
My kids are just big and healthy. We're a big bone family. I'm sure they'll grow up just fine.
Yes, of course. It's your own free choice as a citizen of the United States of America. Thank you very much for your participation. We wish you a pleasant future. Now we're moving on to our second participating family from Denmark. Welcome to your new relatives, Mr. Apple.
Thanks a lot.
Mr. Apple, if you look at your family's eating habits, would you consider it as a representative Danish family?
Yes, very much I do. We eat very healthy. We eat 5 fruits every day and salad to all our meals. Sometimes the children like meat better, but they have to eat 1 plate of salad before they can take more meat.
Wow, that's a strict rule. And you're just fine with that, or what?
I'm okay. I'm okay also.
Wonderful children you have there, Mrs. Pierre. Now, how come you have chosen this healthy lifestyle for your family?
Well, for me it's incredibly important that I can look ourselves in the mirror and feel good about it. It's important that I can find inner peace by providing my children right settings for a healthy life and long life.
That's a beautiful way of thinking. What about exercise? Is that something you practice or what?
Very much we do. We do 60 minutes of intense workout every day. I myself am a very active runner in my spare time. Last year I participated in the Berlin Marathon. My kids like exercising and they both play football at least 3 times a week. They also like bike to school every day.
And is that normal for average thing? What?
I would consider it a bit more than usual, but it's not uncommon.
Very interesting. We have now heard the point of view from 2 different cultures. We will now move on to 2 experts that will add their professional opinion to the debate. Welcome to Mr. Cooper, born and raised in America, and Mr. McDelly from India, both experts in the field.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mr. McDelly and I have decided to discuss some of the important statistics for health issues in the Northern Europe and in the States.
Yes, one of the problems is the large amount of 70 million people in America that has type 2 diabetes, which is mostly caused by obesity. We see similar kind of problems in Northern Europe, although not in the same extent.
And it's only a small percentage of these people that ends up with type 2 diabetes. It's a big risk, but there are many more of these people than people without diabetes. Actually, 35% of the American population suffers from severe obesity.
This is in a boat in a Northern European country like Denmark, where there is only 13% of the population with tremendous obesity. This is ironic when you think of the around 885 million people in the world that suffers from undernutrition.
truly ironic. In my opinion, we should all think that the next time you threw out half a sandwich.
That was all from our experts today, and their discussion will be the message to our viewers. Think about what you eat, because you become what you eat, and remember, every time you throw something out, there are plenty of people that could use it. That was all we had for today's Denmark versus America. Thank you, America. Good night.